Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a time delay circuit with the help of a single capacitor. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to go and we will search for our electrolytic capacitor. So here we got our electrolytic capacitor, click on it and drag it out. So this is our capacitor. After this has been done, we will go and we will take our battery. Okay, so this is our battery. Also drag it out. We need one buffer. Buffer symbol is this one. This is a gate. We will use buffer, inverted buffer as a NOT gate. Okay, and simple switch. So this is our switch and one LED, resistor. Before LED we need one resistor. So this is our resistor, click on it and drag it out, and in the last we need our LED. So we will take one LED as well. So this is our these are our components. So how we can do that? First we have to rotate this battery like this, and we also need to rotate our electrolytic capacitor. So this is our electrolytic capacitor. In between battery and electrolytic capacitor we will place our switch. So how it will work? First of all, our battery will charge our capacitor, and then when our switch is open, then our capacitor will be discharged with the help of this resistor. And obviously capacitor will take some time to discharge, so we can say that we will get certain time period or time delay. Okay, and by using this time delay, we will make a time delay circuit. And when the capacitor used to discharge, the voltages on its terminals drop out gradually, and when they will be below than 2.5, our buffer will just light up the LED. So we will connect buffer with our LED, and the other end of the first end of the buffer or NOT gate with that of resistor, the cathode terminal of the LED with that of other terminal of the resistor. And we also need ground. Okay, so we can click on it and drag it out. Okay, so there are two loops. One loop is let me see, like this. So one loop is actually for charging and the other loop is for discharging. And we can go for our 1K for 1K resistor. Okay, and here we will change its farads to 100 microfarad. Okay, now we will run it out. Okay, now we can see that. Okay, we also need one voltmeter, a voltmeter for to check the voltages. It is necessary. So we will take our voltmeter, okay, like this. Okay, at this point, and other end with that of copy and paste, so other end with that of ground. Okay, like this. So okay, so like this. Now we'll run it out. So whenever we will press the switch, now we got our 5 volt. And after some time our wait, we have to click on its invert outputs, and now it will be, we have NOT gate. So now we will on our, okay, wait, let me run it out and like this, and okay, now you can see that our LED is off. Okay, and now we will change its resistance to like 20k. Now we'll run it out and like this and this, and now you can see that we got certain delay. After some time our LED will become on. So how we can change its time period? Yes, we can increase the value of capacitance or resistance, and then it will behave. So now you will see that we got much more time delay. So now you can see that after some time our LED will become on. And if we want to go for some more time delay, then you can see that now I have increased the resistance to 100k, and it is for more than 8 seconds. And if we will increase its capacitance to 1000 farad, then now you can see that after 1000 farad we are getting a very much long time. So now we will see what will happen, how the voltage is used to drop. And now it is 3. I think that it is more than 15 seconds. Now when our voltages will drop below 2.5, then our LED will be on. Now our LED will become on. Yes, now our LED is on. So in this way we can make a time delay circuit with the help of simple resistor and capacitor within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.